Looking for an honest Udio AI review before you subscribe? If you want to create studio quality songs with AI, Udio is one of the biggest names in AI music generation. But is it better than the competition? In this Udio AI review, I'll test its features, music quality, pricing, and overall value to help you decide. Hello everyone, welcome back. First, visit the Udio website and click Sign Up. Create your account with Google or your email, then log in to access this dashboard. The interface is clean and beginner-friendly, with quick access to song creation, your music library, and editing tools. For this demo, click Create and enter a prompt describing your song. You can also write your own lyrics or let Udio generate them automatically. Next, choose your music style, song length, and other settings before clicking Create. Within a few moments, Udio generates multiple versions, allowing you to compare and select the one you like best. One feature I really like in this Udio AI review is the editing workflow. Instead of starting over, you can remix tracks, extend songs, edit lyrics, use style references, and even guide generations with your own audio uploads. These tools make it much easier to refine your music until it sounds exactly the way you want. During a standard trial, users can also try features like voice control, music editing, style references, and audio guided generation. Now let's talk about pricing. Udio offers a free plan with daily creation credits, so beginners can explore the platform. If you need more monthly credits, higher generation limits, and advanced tools, you can upgrade to the standard or pro subscription. There's also a 7-day standard trial available for eligible new users, although it has some usage limits compared with a full subscription. Of course, it's not perfect. Creating multiple versions can use credits quickly, and getting the exact style you want may require several generations. If you produce music regularly, a paid subscription will likely offer a smoother experience. After testing it for this Udio AI review, I think Udio is one of the best AI music generators for creators, musicians, YouTubers, and content creators who want high quality songs without professional production skills. The music quality is impressive, the editing tools are powerful, and the workflow is easy to learn. If this Udio AI review helped you, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more AI reviews and tutorials, and let me know which AI tool I should review next. This review is based on my personal testing and research, and your experience may vary.